Today is the day, Bingo! We're heading out to the deep blue sea.
All aboard the Healer Express. Life jackets on, sailors.
Yay!
Hooray!
Full speed ahead. We're looking for the legendary golden snapper. Woohoo! I can't wait to find it. Watch this, Bingo. The perfect cast. Wow! Looks great, Bluey. Ooh! Look at all the little fishies. They're having a parade. I've got one. It's a big one. Big one. It's a big one. Help, Bingo. Pull, Bluey. Don't let the sea monster win. A boot? We caught a giant shoe! We caught a boot? A giant shoe! Look!
Well, it's not a snapper, but it's definitely a rare, leathery, deep-sea galloper.
I've got something. And it doesn't feel like a shoe. I did it! I caught a real silver shimmery one.
Nice one, Bingo. You're a master fisher dog. Woo-hoo.
Goodbye, fishies. See you next time we go sailing. How was the trip? Mom! I caught a fish, and Bluey caught a giant shoe.
Bluey!
Best fishing trip ever!
Whip, whip, whip. I am Spider Dog, protector of Brisbane.
Spider Dog, you have a big spelling test tomorrow. Time to hit the books. Bam! Spider-Man is here. Gotcha, evil villain. The city is safe once again. Oh, biscuits. How do you spell superhero again?
Spider Dog has been defeated by spelling.
Mom, Dad, I sort of failed my mission.
We warned you, Bluey. You can't just play superhero when you have schoolwork to do.
You're right. A real hero works hard. I'm gonna study.
Time for more my training montage!
S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider!
I can do this. I am smart. I am strong. I am ready. Hooray! Hooray! I did it!
We're so proud of you, Spider Dog.
You saved your grades.
Ready, Bingo? The Healer spaceship is ready for takeoff.
3, 2, 1. Wow, look, Bluey. We are actually in outer space. Wow, that's amazing, Bingo. Look at all the stars. Hang on tight. We're accelerating toward the moon. Wow. Look. I'll take your sing flying. Look at me, Bluey. I'm flying like a bird. Look, Bingo. There is our destination. Wow. We did it. I see a crater that looks like a giant biscuit. Get ready to enter the dark side. Switch on the headlights. Oh. Wow! Look, Bluey! The stars are dancing! Look! There's our our home. It looks so small from here. Prepare for landing. Deploying the cheese legs. One small step for a dog. One giant leap for dog kind. I'm a moon kangaroo. Look how high I can go. I found a moon treasure. It's yellow and fuzzy.
Wow, bingo!
That's the best one ever.
Hey, kids! Snacks are ready!
Oh no! A giant friendly space monster is calling us for tea! That was the best space trip ever, Bluey! Yeah, but Earth has better snacks. Ugh, I don't feel so good, Bingo. Oh dear, Bluey. Let me check that thermometer. The doctor is in! Don't worry, patient Bluey. Your heart sounds like a rainy day. Very splashy.
You have the rain flu. You need magic porridge.
To the kitchen. Stat. Step 1. Find the rice. Step 2. Don't spill it. Oops, a few runaway rice bits. Now for the magic water from the tap.
Stir it round and round, may make the fever go away.
I'm so thirsty. Oh, special delivery for the sick patient. It's a bit hot. Let me blow on it. Woo! It tastes like hugs. You'll be back to playing Keepy Uppy in no time.
Thanks, Dr. Bingo.
Okay, Bingo, hold that end up. We need this tent standing tall. Okay, got it. Nice. Give it a pull. Like this? It's working. Yeah, look, it's standing up. Good job.
Bandit! Well done, pups. Now, who's ready for some serious stargazing?
I hope we see a magic star tonight, Dad.
I hope so too, mate.
Me too.
If I look hard enough at that one, maybe it will grant me a wish.
Oh, magical star, please make my wish come true.
I know exactly what I want to be.
A web slinger, eh?
That's a bold wish, Bluey.
Whip! Here comes Spider Bluey!
Woohoo! Swinging over the city! Help, Spider Bluey! I'm stuck on this tall building! Don't worry, I'm here! Wow, Spider Bluey, you're the best!
Yeah! You're doing great, Webhead!
Keep those arms out!
We're flying, Dad. Time for some superhero fuel. Who wants a marshmallow? A little bit of jam, some mustard, and a whole lot of baked beans. Perfect. Now it just needs to rest.
Ooh, Mom must have made a special pudding. Don't mind if I do.
Ugh!
tea pudding. Dad, my tummy is doing flip-flops. Oh dear, sweetheart. What did you eat?
Hey! Who ate my special Chef Bingo surprise?
Mustard, jam, and baked beans?
No wonder your tummy hurts, mate.
Yes, Dr. Dad diagnoses a severe case of the bean wobbles.
Chili, here you go, sweetie. Drink this, it will help settle it. Poor Bluey. Next time, don't eat my science experiments. Sorry, Bingo. Phew.
Oh, better. Captain Bluey to Mission Control. We have landed on the big green planet.
Woohoo! We're here!
Wow, it's so squishy. Yeah, it feels like marshmallow mud.
Look, Bingo. The trees are made of light.
They're singing. Hello, flower people.
Oh, hello there. You're just little green fluff balls.
Wait up, Mr. Tree. Where are you going? Whoa, look at that water. It's glowing. It's amazing.
No, it's not cold at all. It feels like, fizzy lemonade.
Hello. We come in peace. Wow. See, so cool. Pass it here. Good catch. Watch out. I got it. It's raining stars, Bluey.
I caught one. It's so warm. Wow, look at that.
Goodbye, Green Planet. We'll come back soon. Mission accomplished, Captain Bingo.
It's playtime in the backyard. Bluey and Bingo are building the tallest tower ever.
Careful, Bluey. It's very tall. Don't worry. I've got this.
It wasn't my fault.
Uh-oh, something went wrong.
Bingo! How do you feel?
Sad. We worked so hard.
Sometimes accidents happen. But what can we do next?
Okay. I'm ready.
I'm sorry, Bingo. I should have been more careful. It's okay. Let's build it again. Saying sorry helps
helps make things better.
I've got the base!
Okay, placing this one now.
This one is even better! Yeah! We built it together!
Making mistakes is okay. Fixing them together is what matters. Today, Bluey and Bingo have a surprise. The family is going on a picnic.
Wow! We're going on a picnic today! I'll bring cookies and fruit juice. Coot juice.
Remember to bring hats and sunscreen, kids. On the way, Bluey and Bingo enjoy the fresh air and guess the secret surprise their parents prepared. I wonder what Mom and Dad prepared.
Maybe a really big picnic blanket.
Let's see who guesses right.
At the park, the family spreads the blanket, sets up food, but a small problem appears. Oh no! An ant is crawling on my cookie!
Don't worry, I'll save it in time.
After the ant crisis, the family plays ring toss and sack races, everyone laughing joyfully.
Look! Hit the ring! This game is so fun! Me too!
It's wonderful to play together as a family. This is so much fun!
I am going to win!
As they prepare to go home, Bandit reveals a small surprise. Each child receives a little gift from the picnic basket.
Wow! What's this? A cute little teddy bear!
I got a doll too! Thank you, Mom and Dad! Thank you, Mom and Dad!
Bluey and Bingo learn that small surprises and little joys can make a day extra special.
According to the map, the buried treasure is past the golden sofa. Oh, I see it! Arrgh! To the hallway of doom, Captain Bluey! We're close. The X is right under the giant fern. Digging is hard work for a pirate puppy. Wait! I see a glimmer! It's the treasure!
Not so fast, scallywags. Captain Dadbeard wants that gold. Hiya! All right now.
Hiya! You'll never take our treasure, Captain Dadbeard.
Run, Captain Bluey. The monster is coming.
Bluey, fire the water cannons! Soak the Pirate King! Ah!
Arg! Curse you, brave pirates! You've defeated me! I'm melting! Ah!
Bingo! We found it! The legendary treasure chest! Ah!
It's real gold. We're the richest pirates in Brisbane.
I see the pirates have won the day. Who wants
want some pirate snacks. Adventure complete! Let's eat the treasure! We made it, Bingo! We're on Fairy Island! Hello, little fairy! Can you show us the way to the castle? Castle? It's leading us into the glitter forest.
Halt! None shall pass the great tree spirit without a fairy dance.
Walkadoo! Let's do the glitter twirl!
Very well, little fairies. You may enter the royal grounds.
The Fairy Queen's castle! It's so sparkly! Knock, knock! Are you home, Your Majesty? Welcome to my castle, brave little travelers. Thank you, Your Majesty, the Fairy Queen. Thank you. You are most welcome. Wow. Wow. Real fairy food.
Bandit, any fairy food left for a hungry tree spirit?
Bluey, here.
Bingo!
No, it's for us. Fairy Island is the best place ever. Right here, Bingo. This is where we build the secret chamber. Dig, dig, dig. Deep into the secret earth.
Need some structural engineering for your secret lair, ladies?
Slide it in. Careful of the secret spiders.
Woohoo! We did it!
Watch out for those spiders.
It needs to look like a normal hill. Very sneaky. Ha! And light, light. Now we can see our secret treasures. Bluey? Bingo? Where did my little pups go?
Target spotted. It's the Snack Queen.
The secret chamber requires a snack tax, Mum. This is the history of the healers, written in purple crayon. Look at that one.
Whoa, the history. Rumble, rumble! Ah! Oh no! A giant earthquake is attacking the secret base! Hold the line, Dr. Bingo! Use the mega tape!
I'm on it!
Is the secret meeting over? It's almost dinner time.
We have explored the deep dark, and now we require sausages. Oh, there! Ha!
See you tomorrow, secret chamber.
Right then, team. Who's ready for some backyard baseball?
I'm gonna hit a home run to the moon.
Prepare for the silly sausage fastball, Bluey!
Here it comes.
Hiya. Yeah! Ooh, it's a big one. Run, Bluey, run!
Keep going, honey. Almost there.
Now to get the runner out.
Yay! Woohoo! Safe!
Wait! Oh, biscuits!
That was a great slide, Bluey, even if Dad is a bit clumsy.
Can we play again tomorrow?
We'll see, kids.
Look, Bingo! A magic bean! Wow! A magic bean! Wow! Huh.
Plant it! Plant it! Yeah! Goo! There you go, Bean!
Yay! We did it!
Wackadoo!
It's actually growing! Wait for me, Jack. I mean, Bluey.
It's like a big bouncy castle in the sky!
Shh! Be very quiet, little sister. Ooh, a gold chick-chick?
F-E-E-E-Fee-Fo-Fo-Fum. I smell the smell of puppies.
Gotcha! Quick, Bingo! Back to the beanstalk.
Hey! That's my favorite chicken! Come back here, you rascals!
This is the best slide ever! Bluey, quick! Chop it down before the giant gets us! Bingo! Take that!
Oh no! My clouds!
My castle! You've defeated the giant! We did it!
Yeah! We're the heroes!
Time for dinner, little giants! Today is a special day. Bluey and Bingo are so excited because the whole family is going to the beach.
We're going to the beach today. It's going to be a great day. I'm going to build a giant sandcastle.
Don't forget your sunscreen and wide-brimmed hats.
Finally, the family arrives at the beach. Everyone is excited.
We're going to build the biggest sandcastle ever. Let's get started. I'm going to make a sandcastle with lots of tall towers.
When the sandcastle is almost finished, a big wave suddenly comes. Oh no! Our sandcastle got swept away by the wave!
We worked so hard on it.
But then, Bluey has a brilliant idea.
Don't worry, Bingo. We'll make it even better. We can build a wall to block the waves. Great idea, Bluey. Let's do it.
At last, the sandcastle is complete. Not only is it huge, but it's also stronger than before.
Look, Our sandcastle is finished! It's really big and strong!
We did it! It's amazing!